Hello, welcome to Soft YouTube channel. If this is the first time of watching our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Today we want to talk about LAC scripts. You've seen here from the publisher's ID, this is the only thing you need to edit from here. The publisher's ID is what you need to edit alone. Then you scroll down to where you see another publisher's ID. You edit it and paste your own. Okay, then the other one here is talking about Minacraft Nate Dash, allow it to be slot name, allow it to be this one, allow it to be change only the publisher's ID. Please, as you're watching this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to encourage us to be giving you more updates coming. Okay, please share this video, like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to our channel. We want to know your own opinion if the script is working for you. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Thank you for sharing. I'm watching too.